Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're diving deep into the Australian dollar against the US dollar, or AUDUSD, to see what's happening in the market and what trading opportunities we might find. Let's start with a quick look at the news. The recent Google search results show a lot of interest in AUDUSD. Investors are currently focused on the Federal Reserve's expected interest rate cuts, hoping for one more large cut to stimulate the US economy. We also see discussions about the Australian dollar's future direction, whether it's going up or down, and whether it's a buy or sell. Let's see what the charts tell us about all of this. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that AUDUSD has been in a range for a few months. There's a clear resistance level around 0.6800. It seems that every time AUDUSD approaches this level, it gets rejected and falls back down. On the other hand, there's a strong support level around 0.6400. AUDUSD has found buyers at this level several times in the past. This suggests that this could be a good entry point for a long position. However, the recent price action shows that AUDUSD is struggling to break above the resistance level. This could be a sign that the market is consolidating. It might be best to wait for a breakout or a breakdown before taking a position. Now, let's switch over to the 1-hour chart. We can see a more detailed picture of the recent price action. Zooming in on the last few weeks, we see that AUDUSD has been moving sideways, but with a slight upward bias. This could be a sign of growing bullish sentiment, suggesting that the market is waiting for a breakout above the resistance. However, we also see a potential bearish pattern forming on the 1-hour chart. AUDUSD has formed a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. If AUDUSD breaks below the neckline of this pattern, it could signal a bearish trend. This would support the idea of AUDUSD going down in the short term. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart. This will give us an even closer look at the very recent price action. Over the past few days, we can see that AUDUSD has been trading within a narrow range. This suggests that the market is indecisive and could move in either direction. It's important to watch for any signs of breakout or breakdown on this time frame. A breakout above the resistance could signal a bullish move, while a breakdown below the support could signal a bearish move. Now, let's summarize the key price levels and what we should look out for in the coming days. On the daily chart, the main resistance level is around 0.6800. A breakout above this level could signal a strong bullish trend, especially if it's accompanied by high volume. On the other hand, a breakdown below the support level around 0.6400 could signal a bearish trend. This would likely be reinforced by high volume. On the 1-hour chart, we should be watching the neckline of the potential head and shoulders pattern. A break below the neckline would confirm the bearish pattern and suggest that AUDUSD could move lower. On the 15-minute chart, it's crucial to observe for any breakout or breakdown of the range. A breakout above the resistance could signal a short-term bullish move, while a breakdown below the support could signal a short-term bearish move. In conclusion, AUDUSD is currently in a consolidation phase. The market seems indecisive, waiting for a catalyst to break out of the range. The news about the Federal Reserve's interest rate cuts could play a significant role in determining the future direction of AUDUSD. We need to be cautious and watch for any signs of breakout or breakdown on the daily, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts. A strong breakout or breakdown could signal a clear trend, but until then, it's best to wait for confirmation before taking a position. Remember, trading involves risks, and it's crucial to manage your risk and trade with a plan. Always do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor if needed. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading.